Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to make a movie in FlipaClip. First of all, create a new project and you're going to see this. Then you just want to do this with that button of like 6 dots which you see at the top. Now I want to make a ball which is bouncing. So this is what I do if I want to make it. If you see that bucket, I'm going to press on the button. As you can see, then I could even change color right there. And I want it to be blue, the background. And I could even move the color with the 6 dots. Then I press it, then the whole thing becomes blue. Next, I want to draw a ball. So the color is black, as you can see, and I want to take the paintbrush like that, and then I want to draw a ball. Next, another slide. I'm going to add one and blue, and it even may show you like the original one, but just don't worry about it, it won't come. It's just showing you just for a template. Like, I'm just gonna go on and on. So I'll just speed this up a bit. Now I just need to scroll back. I need details, as you can see, and that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm just making those like speed lines on and on. Now I'm just going to press the play button right there. Then it will show me what it looks like. Next, I'm just going to again copy another one, add another one, and then bucket. Then again circle. But this time I'm going to make the ball bounce up, but not totally up. I will show you this time. You could just go to settings too, with that button, and then you could make movie and save to photos. And yeah, and you could also go to adapter and go to project settings. Then it says frames per second, so I need 12 frames to make 1 second, so 12 slides. But I could even switch that even below or higher than that, and it even shows what it will look like. So now I'm switching it to 5 like that. But yeah, now I'm switching 6, a bit more faster, 7, faster. Yeah, so I stick with 6 and press save changes. And yeah, after you press save changes, everything should be alright. Now you go play it again, and now this is what it looks like. And yeah, so bye. Oh, and this is also a cool short I made, and I just wanted to add this to the video. You could check it on the link below. Bye bye.